Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I'm here with a kit share, and this one is another collaboration with DearJulieJulie. We're doing another collaboration like we did at Christmas and then at Valentine's Day, and this one is called our 7 Days of Spring. So just like before, I have a page and she has a page for each day, and then we create something using both pages of, well, her page of her kit and my page of my kit, and we put them together and then we create something, a project for that day. So here is day one of my kit. It's a collage sheet, and then day one of Julie's kit is an envelope and then some calling cards, a finch card, a butterfly. And so what we would do on day one, and this begins March 20th, which is the first day of spring, yay, is we would make something, cut these out, and then make something using both of these pages, and then use them together. It could be one thing, two things, as many things as you like. But the challenge is to take both of the kits and create something together. All right, so that's day one. And then day two, this is my day two. So we have a large tag, and this can be a journaling card or it's meant to fit on top of this tag. And then there's some ephemera. And then Julie's day two is a bunch of ephemera with journaling cards, library card, playing cards, all sorts of fun things. This kit was a little bit different. I actually saw Julie's pages before I made my pages, and so I tried to kind of match up. Before in the past, I created and then she kind of made hers, so this is a little bit reversed. So it kind of lends for a different style since I was trying to kind of copy hers, but I think they turned out pretty good. Okay, so this is day three, and I have another collage sheet, and this sheet, I mean, any of these could be used any time of year. It doesn't necessarily have to be spring. And then here's her pages with larger ephemera and another finch card, lots of spring flowers. And then day four, I'm trying to get them both so you can see both on the camera, side tuck, some butterflies, some little circle pieces, another ephemera, and then she has, I'm pretty sure that these were actual cards and then postcard that she had scanned. So that's fun. So that's day four. And day five is a bit different. I have some journaling cards and some words and daffodils for spring. And then her day five is this envelope or library envelope and card, and then other pieces really cute with little chicks, super cute. And then what are we, day six? So day six, I have more journaling cards, lots of little bits of ephemera. And here's her day six, a larger piece of ephemera and more cards, all those really pretty flowers. So see, I tried to kind of match the colors between the two, with the oranges and the purples and all that good stuff. And then the last day, this is my day seven, and it has journaling cards and ephemera. And then hers has these really large tags, so that's day seven. All right, so you can find Julie's 7 Days of Spring kit at her Etsy shop, DearJulieJulie, and then you can find my kit at CaraBrandonCreations on Etsy. And I think she's doing this also. I think Julie's doing this, but we will both, I think, I can't speak for her, but she's done it in the past, run a sale on the kit to have it 50% off. So I'm gonna have my sale starting today, and it will run through the 19th. So if you wanna get your kits and maybe get your ideas started, we will then have the series begin March 20th. And we're also, like we've done in the past, we're going to have what we've been calling our elves since we started in Christmas, and they will also be using the kits to do their makes. And I think my favorite part of this collaboration is seeing what everyone does, taking the same two designs and how many different ideas come from the same two, pages. Lots of amazing creativity out there. And it's really fun to go and watch everyone else's videos. I think that's my favorite part. So if you want to join us, oh, and we also have people posting pictures in our Facebook groups, and I'm posting pictures, and we can see that way as well. So not just video, but we'll have pictures in our Facebook group, Julie's Dear Julie Julie Facebook group, and then mine, which is Cara, Brandon, and Friends. Yeah. If you have any questions, just comment below, because I might have forgotten something. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.